Hello and welcome to this Maritime New Zealand introductory video on how to connect and anchor your boom systems. There are two types of inshore boom systems that we will be looking at today. The first is rapid deployment boom. As the name suggests, this is a quick, easy and simple tool to get your response underway. The second is Harbour Boom or fence boom. This is designed to work better in deeper waters and harbours. It can be connected together like a fence to enclose your spill. However, this can take a bit of time. In order to set these booms up, we need to have a look at the tools required to do so. Everything you should need is pictured right here. This is a Harbour Boom Toe End, an intermediate anchor bridle, a rapid deployment boom toe end, an anchor, a support buoy, a tripline buoy, and some rope. Let's take a look at how to connect all this up. First, we have the rapid deployment boom toe end. In order to tow this through the water, we will need to connect this bracket to the boom. This is simple, and a lot of what you're about to see in this video connects in the same way. The toe end itself is made out of the same material as the connection on the boom, so you will see that they snap in together with ease. To secure it in place, feed the drop nose pin through the hole that sits roughly halfway down the boom. Great job there, mate. Right, let's secure that tow line. Feed the end through the D-shackle and tie it off. We recommend you use a bowline. You will see us using that type of knot throughout the rest of this video. Wow! That's about as good as it gets. Now let's move on to the Harbour Boom Toe End. Just like before, it uses the same type of connection. This one can be a little bit fiddly, so take your time to make sure all the holes line up. This bracket uses two drop nose pins to secure it in place. Great, we now have a well secured towing pennant to attach our rope to. Again, let's use a bowline. To create an effective booming configuration like this one, we will need to connect an intermediate anchor bridle. Here we have a connection between two lengths of boom. The intermediate anchor bridle can sometimes be mistaken as a toe end, so make sure you grab the right one. As you can see here, the two lengths of boom are connected in the same way that we connected the toe end before. The bridle has two carabiners on it. There's a small one that connects through a hole in the top and a large one that connects to the chain at the bottom. Here is a diagram of the anchor set. This allows you to hold a boom in place and keep tension. Although it may seem complicated, it's really not, and we will show you how to assemble this entire system and get it ready for deployment. First, we will connect up the tripline. We need to have a piece of rope that's at least 1.5 times the depth of the water. Secure one end to the crown of the anchor and the other to the tripline buoy. Not bad. Now we will connect another length of rope to the end of the chain on the anchor. This rope needs to be at least 3 to 5 times the depth of the water. Now we need to secure the anchor line to the support buoy, and then tie that off to your bridle or toe end, depending on what job you're doing. We have found that the easiest way to achieve this is by taking a bite of the rope and feeding it through the hole on the support buoy. Feed the bite over the buoy and then remove the slack. Lastly, tie off the rope to the bridle or toe end. As always, we recommend a bowline. We have now completed the assembly of our anchoring system. This is ready to be towed into position. Thank you for watching this Maritime New Zealand introductory video on how to connect and anchor your boom systems. See you next time.